So good morning everyone. Today we are starting our ninth problem. So what is ninth problem? I borrowed 12,000 from Prasad at 6% per annum. Simple interest for 2 years. First we have to find simple interest and how much he borrowed, that is 12,000. So borrowed is nothing but principal value. So principal is how much here? 12,000 rupees. And what is the rate of interest? That is 6% per annum. Simple interest for 2 years. Here time is how much? 2 years. Next, had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compounded annually, what extra amount would I have to pay? So if he borrowed for compound interest, that is compounded annually, how much extra amount he has to pay, we have to find. Okay, so first we have to find the simple interest here. After that we have to find the compound interest. So what is the principal value here? Principal value is 12,000. ₹12,000. And what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 6%. And what is the time? Time is 2 years. So what we have to find? We have to find the simple interest value. So what is simple interest? SI is equals to PTR by 100. So P value we are having, T also we are having, R also we are having. So you will get the interest value here. So simple interest is equals to, so what is this? 12,000 into time is 2 years. Rate of interest is 6 by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So SI is equals to 120 into 6 2s are 12. So 12 12s is 144. So that means it will be 1,440 rupees. So simple interest you got as 1,440 rupees. So we have to find amount value. Amount is nothing but taking amount and adding the interest value also. So here amount is equals to P plus I, we know. Amount value will be equals to principal plus interest value. So amount is equals to, what is the principal value? How much he has borrowed? That is 12,000 plus interest how much you got? That is 1440. That is 1,440 rupees. So now you add this. That will be 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 4 will be 4. 0 plus 4 will be 4. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 1. So that will be 13,440 rupees. He has taken 12,000. He is paying 13,440 rupees. So this is for simple interest. Now we have to find the compound interest for the same values. So here I am finding about compound interest. Okay, so again same values. Principal is 12,000. Rate of interest is 6%. Time is 2 years. What is the difference? Here we have found for simple interest. Here we are finding for compound interest. So what is compound interest value? I am taking it as A2. I am differentiating with A2 here. So simple interest is A1 and compound interest is I am taking it as A2. So A2 is equals to, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So N is nothing but time only there. Okay. So A2 is equals to, what is the principal value? 12,000. 1 plus R value is 6 by 100 to the power of 2. N value is what? 2 here. T is nothing but 2. Okay. So A2 is equals to 12,000. Here I am taking the LCM. So LCM will be 100. In denominator nothing is there. That means that will be equals to 1. So for 1, how much you will multiply to get 100 here? Into 100. Into 100. In the same way for 100, how much you will multiply to get again as 100? That is 1 time. 100 ones are 100 into 1. So 1 hundreds are 100 plus 6 ones are 6 whole square. Okay, so A2 is equals to 12,000. 100 plus 6 will be 106 by 100 to power of 2. Now this value we have to multiply how many times? 2 times we have to multiply. A2 is equals to 12,000 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Okay. Now I am cancelling in 2 table. 2 5s are 2 5s are, it will not go, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Now in which table we can cancel? Can we cancel in any table? No, it will not go. So A2 is equals to 12 into 106 into 53 by 5. So we have to multiply all the values. So 106 into 12. 2 6 are 12, 1 2 1s are 2, 1 6 are 6, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1. So 2 7 2 1. So you got us 1272, that is 1272. Now this value we have to multiply with 53. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6 7 8, 3 1s are 3. Multiply with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 36. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So you got it as 6, 1. This will be 14. 3 3 6 7. This will be 6. So you got it as A2 is equals to 67,416 divided by 5. So this value we have to divide with 5 now. So divide with 5 here. 5 1s are 5. Bring this 7 down. 5 3s are 15. 2. Bring this 4 down. 5 4s are 20. 4. Bring this 1 down. 5 8s are 40. 1. Bring this 6 down. 5 3s are 15. 1.0. 5 2s are 10. So you got the value as A2 is equals to 13483.2 rupees. So it is 13,483.2 rupees. So what we have to find now, this is for simple interest and this is for compound interest. Okay, so and what they asked, what extra amount would I have to pay? So how much extra I have to pay, they are asking. So what we will do, we will differentiate these two values. So the difference between the compound interest and simple interest. Compound interest value is this one and simple interest value is this one. So what we have to do, that is A2 minus A1. So what is A2 here? 13,483 minus A1 value is 13,440 rupees. So how much difference we have to pay? That is 43.20 rupees. So this much extra amount we have to pay. Okay, so this is our ninth solution. Ninth solution, two parts are there. If you are taking for simple interest, how much value you have to pay. If you are taking for compound interest, how much value you have to pay. Okay, and what is the difference also we have to find here. So what is the difference here? 43.20 rupees. So this is our ninth solution. I hope you have understood. Next is 10th one. Tenth solution. So what is the 10th question here? In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5%. per hour. So rate of interest they have given us 2.5 hours per hour. So per 1 hour it is increasing to 2.5%. So find the bacteria at the end of 2 years if the count was initially 5,06,000. So here first the count was 5,06,000 and per every hour it is increasing to 2.5%. Okay, so for how many hours we have to find? We have to find for 2 hours. So we have to find here compound interest. So number of bacteria in a laboratory we have to find now. Number of bacteria in a laboratory. Okay, so what is that? 5,06,000 and per every 1 hour it is increasing to 2.5%. So for every hour it is increasing to 2.5%. That means rate will be 2.5%. And for how much time we have to find for? We have to find for 2 hours. Okay, so here what is the formula we are taking here? Simple interest. So which formula we are using? Same formula, that is A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. But in this case they are not giving in the form of values. So directly we are applying. So which formula we are applying here? That is A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100. But in this case we will be taking in the form of amount. But here we are taking in the form of bacteria. So directly I am writing P is nothing but 5,06,000. 1 plus R value is 2.5 by 100. What is the time here? 2 years. That is 5,06,000. 1 plus this 2.5 we can write in the form of 25 by 1000. So after point we are having only one digit. So I am removing the point. So in denominator you will get 1 0 by to power of 2. Okay. Now here you take the LCM. That is 5,06,000. Here LCM is what? 1000. So in denominator you are not seeing any value, that means 1. So 1 and 1000 LCM will be 1000. So into 1000 we are taking the LCM. So that's why I am multiplying here into 1 into 1. That will be 1000 plus 25 whole square. Okay. So that will be 5,06,000. This will be 1025 by 1000 to the power of 2. So how many times we have to multiply? 2 times. Before multiplying 2 times, I will cancel in 5 table here. It will be 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 5 zeros are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again I am cancelling in 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. So what you got here? 41 by 40 you got, that is 5,06,000. 41 by 40 to the power of 2. Okay. So now this how many times we have to multiply? 2 times we have to multiply. So that will be 5,06,000. We will write in the form of 2, multiplication of 2 here. 41 by 40. Again 41 by 40 because the power is 2 here. 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. Now I am cancelling in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. Again in 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Okay. So what is the remaining value? That is 1265 into 41 1265, that is 1265 into 41 by 4. So multiply this 3 into 41, 1 5, 6, 2, 1. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 25, 26. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this much you got. Into 41 again we have to do 5, 6, 8, 1, 5. Multiply with 4 now. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24, 25, 26. 4 8s are 32, 33, 34. Now 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 5s are 20. 5, 6, it will be 14. 4 5 6 7 12 1 2. So how much you got here? 2 1 2 6 4 6 5 by divided by 4. So now this value you have to divide with 4 now. It is 21,26,465. You have to divide with 4. I am dividing with 4 here. So 4 5s is 20. 4 3s is 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So how much you got? That is 531,616.25. So after 2 years, 2 hours, the value has increased to 5,31,616.25. So if the bacteria is 5,06,000, it has been increased to 5,31,616.5. Okay, so for how much rate of interest? It is 2.5%, and after that is after 2 hours. So with this, our 10th problem is completed. Remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.